Hello everyone. I'm Crispy Caragil, and today we again gonna discuss a new discussions which is gonna be very fruitful, as I believe some of the thoughts, and I always share with you those thoughts of mine. Today I thought, and because you know what, we generally see many things happening around us every day nowadays, especially when there are lockdowns, schools are closed, we see kids at home. You spend more time with your families. So today I was just discussing with my family also. So I thought to discuss with this family that how this co-education is important and is beneficial in our children's life, in our child's life. So I'm going to discuss about this co-education's benefit. Co-education environment facilitates the mutual benefits for both the genders. It really gives our child and our children the exposure to grow in life in many different aspects. If we look into the benefits of co-educations, बहुत benefits हैं ऐसे that I believe strongly that it actually encourage our kids, our children to have more self-esteem in life, have that dignity, to have that discipline, to have that equal living and studying powers in their life. So मैं बहुत strongly believe करती हूँ कि a kid should be in co-education, even if it is any gender, even if it's a boy, even if it's a girl. I think they should go into a co-education. We have different families, we have different circumstances in our houses. हर background का student school जाता है, हर background का child has an equal right to study. So हमें लगता है कि जो co-education है वो हमें not only a working woman or a working man, a businessman or legend की तरफ लेके जाते हैं, but अगर हम housewives भी सोचते हैं फ्यूचर के लिए, या हाउस मास्टर्स भी सोचते हैं फ्यूचर के लिए कि आप you're serving your house maybe in future, तो भी हमें को-एडुकेशन की बहुत इक्वली जरूरत है. आई बिलीव दैट स्ट्रॉन्गली. जेंडर इक्वलिटी इज नॉट ओनली अ फंडामेंटल राइट. आई बिलीव it's a foundation of a peaceful, prosperous and a successful career for our children. हम इसके बेनिफिट्स के बारे में बात करें, आई थिंक ऑल पेरेंट्स वुड अग्री कि हमारे बच्चे, अगर हर एक के घर में सर्कमस्टांसेस आर डिफरेंट. आई डोंट से व्हाट सर्कमस्टांसेस इन माय होम. Maybe you also face the same challenges in your house, but then I believe this is a basic necessity we can complete and we can achieve for our kids कि हम उनको equal right दे पाए studies में, education में, so that they can grow equally in their future life. By doing this we are promoting the socialism. How we are promoting the socialism? आज की generation हमारा कल का future है, ये हर कोई कहता है, बट अगर हम आज स्टूडेंट्स को, अपने चिल्ड्रन को प्रिपेयर नहीं करेंगे टू फाइट फॉर द सर्कमस्टांसेस ऑफ फ्यूचर लाइफ, क्योंकि आज इतना कंपटीशन है, व्हाट आर वी एक्सपेक्टिंग इन फ्यूचर? आई मीन आफ्टर 30-20 years our kids will have to suffer more challenges than what we are facing and suffering today. तो अगर उनके पास इक्वल लिबर्टीज नहीं होंगी या इक्वल माइंडसेट्स नहीं होंगे, दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू ग्रो इन देयर सोशल लाइफ, दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू परफॉर्म इन देयर सोशल लाइफ. We don't want especially our girl child, we don't want, it's not about girl child and a boy child. I think they both should get motivations if they are togetherly, if they are together being brought up and grown. So I strongly believe that from sports to another music classes, to art classes, to studies, in every aspect, in every extracurriculum activities, both the genders should equally participate. We should not stop our girl child that ये आपके लिए sports नहीं बनी है. I think we've seen sports women are growing so fast in India and they are so much successful sports activists now. So हमें यहाँ से भी examples लेनी चाहिए. I strongly believe to have a social personalizations, हमारे किड्स को इक्वली पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए, नॉट ओनली इन एजुकेशन, इन अदर करिकुलम, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटीज ऑल्सो. So the second thing I was wondering about preparing students for the real world. This is not the real world we are living in. Our house is not a real world. The real challenges are when they go out. So keeping all this topics short, I think so we need to prepare our kids for the real world. There are a lot of challenges when we go out. We suffer it when we go out. We are working, right? We suffer those challenges. Our kids has to be prepared for both the genders to handle them in their social life, in their real life. They should not feel demoralizing speaking to a man. They should not be demoralizing speaking to a woman when they've been co-educated. This difference will be covered. This बेनिफिट्स हैं वो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स में फ्यूचर में आपको देखने को मिलेंगे, बिकॉज उनको इक्वली सोसाइटी को समझना बहुत जरूरी है. सो द रियल वर्ल्ड इज when we can teach them valuable skills in the relationships. They should know, even if it is a partner, two partners, a couple together, then also a co-education really helps, because दोनों में equal respect करना एक दूसरे की जेंडर की बहुत जरूरत है. A man should respect the gender of a woman and a woman should respect the gender of a man. This will only come when you've been brought up into this culture of co-education. So healthy competition, definitely. I think so. This will make and grow in them the healthy competitions. They should not feel behind from the another opposite gender or sex, because they should feel that जो वो कर सकता है वो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. This should be a thought process in our children. I personally want my child at least to grow with this thought process. There are many behavior changes we see when our kids are studying into co-ed and they understand the culture of both the genders. What is men's society and what is rather they behave more professionally to each other. They behave more disciplined when they are together, educated into the same culture. So definitely healthy competitions. This will grow them a healthy competitions for their future. They should not feel behind from the another opposite gender or sex, because they should feel that जो वो कर सकता है वो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. This should be a thought process in our children. I personally want my child at least to grow with this thought process. There are many behavior changes we see when our kids are studying into co-ed and they understand the culture of both the genders. What is men's society and what is rather they behave more professionally to each other. They behave more disciplined when they are together, educated into the same culture. So definitely healthy competitions. This will grow them a healthy competitions for their future aspects, not only in schools, colleges, but when you work, when you start work. We find lot of आज से पहले हम देखते थे there was men's society जहाँ पे ज़्यादा working people were the men. But now if we see the growth, women are equally working in every field, in every organization, setting examples for any field you talk. Women has taken equal parts. So this has been only possible because they've been brought up in a co-education. They've been brought up to understand both the genders, to understand and respect both the genders. I personally believe that this is very important. And mutual respect and understanding for both the genders, as I just mentioned you, that both the genders has to respect each other. This will only be possible when they understand from beginning of their career, beginning of their childhood, the meaning of both the genders. A respect of a mother and a respect of a father से शुरू होता है, I think, co-education का culture. कि अगर हम अपनी mother को respect करते हैं and we see our father respecting our mother, this brings hereditary in you also, that you have to respect this opposite gender in your house, outside, at your workplace. अगर आप इसको respect करना शुरू कर दोगे equal genders, both the genders को, I think जो इतना socially drawbacks देखते हैं हम, so many worse things are happening with the girl childs in the society, lot of abusive things are happening, उस पर भी बहुत control होता है अगर हम co-education में पढ़ते हैं. So this improves your personality and understanding also. जब हम बच्चे हमारे co-eds में होते हैं तो हमने ये भी हम महसूस करते हैं कि उनकी पर्सनालिटी में बहुत चेंजेस इम्प्रूवमेंट्स होती हैं. क्योंकि दे अंडरस्टैंड द लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट, दे अंडरस्टैंड. मुझे आई एम इनटू इट्स साइकोलॉजिकल कि मुझे स्मार्टली लोग होके जाना है या मुझे क्लीन नहीं रहना है. दिस मेक्स यू लर्न क्लीननेस ऑल्सो. Because you don't want to feel embarrassed in front of the other opposite gender. So not only in school, colleges, both the girls and boys have to work at the same workplace also at times, so they stay more professional, they stay more hygiene, because and this improves their personality. It is a major benefit of the co-education system. So respect each other. Yes, as I said, we need to respect each other. Respecting each other is very beneficial. This will only be possible जब हम एक दूसरे की mentalities को और दोनों genders को society में समझ पाते हैं. The one why there are two genders being created by God. So we need to respect both the genders. With the period of time, girls and boys studying under the same roof to develop their mutual respect for each other. So we need to understand a mutual respect for both the genders are equally important. Makes a child bold and brave. I personally believe one thing, that if you are into co-education and if you are around boys, a girl child definitely get bold and brave, because you get that competitions inside you. If a boy child, this isn't psychological, if the boy child is participating into sports, a girl child will also look into it and wants to participate in the sports. So this creates a braveness inside of girl child especially, and also the boy child also. But this makes our child more bold and brave. This removes the shyness inside our kids, which makes them brave. They get more expressive with their feelings when they are studying into co-educations, because they treat each other confidently, not only in school, colleges, in workplace also, because उनमें वो शुरू से ही brought up हुआ होता है कि उनको कैसे culture में कैसे रहना है, कैसे एक दूसरे को respect करना है, या एक दूसरे को understand करते किया जाता है. So this makes definitely your shyness out, your girl child or boy child, anybody. I think I've seen boys also being very shy nowadays speaking to girls. तो वो जो एक lackness है, वो शायद हम उनको वो कल्चर नहीं देते हैं जिसमें दोनों ही कल्चर्स के साथ, दोनों ही जेंडर्स के साथ इक्वली फ्रेंडली होना बहुत जरूरी है. सो दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू बी ब्रेव एंड बोल्ड. वी नीड टू बी इनटू द को-एजुकेशन सिस्टम. Co-education supports girls. Co-education definitely supports girls, as I've just said. I think मैं अपने पॉइंट्स खुद ही कवर कर चुकी हूँ पहले ही, क्योंकि को-एजुकेशन आपकी गर्ल चाइल्ड को स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है. दोनों को साथ रहने के लिए बनाया गया है, अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए बनाया गया है. ऐसा कोई भी जगह नहीं है. शायद आप स्कूल्स में अपने किड्स को रोक लोगे कि को-एड में नहीं पढ़ना है, बिकॉज शायद यू फील देयर आर ड्रॉबैक्स. But how will you stop them working at a workplace in future together? वो जिंदगी में ग्रो करेंगे, वर्क प्लेस में जाएंगे, कॉलेज में जाएंगे. क्या हर बार हम उनको विमेन और मेन से दूर रख पाएंगे? इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो वाई नॉट टू प्रिपेयर देम टुडे ओनली? हम आज ही क्यों नहीं ये प्रिपरेशन करते कि वो जब तक उस स्टेज पे पहुंचे दे आर स्ट्रांगली बिल्ट अप. सो वी शुड नॉट, डेफिनेटली वी शुड नॉट ignore on co-education. This is my personal perspective. Maybe you think different way. You look into the drawbacks more, because I look into the positive points more, and I look my student, my child has to work maybe after 15 years in an organization where it would be more men in the organization at the workplace. So how will my child feel that time? Because उसने वो शायद genders के साथ पहली बार interactions करने की शुरुआत की है. So this is not a good sign. Even the teachers in the classroom should guide about the gender inequalities. I think ये शुरू से ही हमारे schools, colleges में सिखाया जाता है, और ये होना भी चाहिए. It should be an equal part कि हमारे schools teachers should guide all our genders, that both the genders are equal. I strongly believe teachers should also start guiding this since beginning, so that जब तक हम आगे वर्क प्लेस तक पहुंचते हैं, लाइफ में स्ट्रगल्स तक पहुंचते हैं जिंदगी के, तो हमें पता है कि हमें दोनों जेंडर्स के साथ डील कैसे करना है. Co-education has lots of benefits. It's just some I have mentioned because the shortage of the videos, timings. But I strongly believe अगर आप आज भी इस चीज के लिए डाइसी हैं कि आपका बच्चा को-एड में जाना चाहिए या आपका चाइल्ड वन जेंडर स्कूल में जाना चाहिए, सिंगल जेंडर स्कूल में जाना चाहिए, then think about the drawbacks. Think where we were lacking in life. We should not make the same approach to our kids. हमें उनमें वो एक competition जगाना है, because this world is competitive, and after 20 years the world is so competitive कि हमारे जेंडर को, हमारे किड्स को दोनों ही जेंडर्स के साथ फाइट करने का मौका मिलेगा, और उनको करना भी पड़ेगा. सो हम उनको आज ही क्यों नहीं प्रिपेयर करते हैं उस डे के लिए? सो आई थिंक it's all parents' approach. It's all mentality of the parent. What we think. It's individual's approach definitely, but I would be at your place. मैं अपने kid को co-ed में ही डालना चाहती हूँ. So there are a lot of benefits about it. Anyways, we'll see you next time soon. We'll discuss new things in the next videos. Till then, take care. Please stay home and stay safe. Thank you.